Hi guys! So for today's video is going to be another lip swatch. Obviously it's the title. At ang ibibida naman natin ngayon ay ang mga bagong liquid lipstick from BLK Cosmetics. I'm talking about itong kanilang Airy Matte Tint from the BLK Cosmetics Universal 2.0 collection. So I have all the 6 shades, pero bago ko i-swatch yan, ang claim to fame kasi nila is it's airy, pigmented, and long wearing, transfer proof. Now, is it really transfer proof? Is it really long wearing? So, panoorin niyo muna yung wear test na gawa ko bago natin ituloy ang lip swatch.
On the Crawl Osaka this July 5, 7 p.m. on Metro Channel.
Alright guys, so Korean food ulit. Pero this time, nainiwala naman ako mas legit ito kaysa dun sa last wear test ko. So we have jjajangmyeon, japchae, and of course, our favorite, kimbap. Kimchubap. Ayan, oh, kasabay ka na naman po si Orlito. Tingnan nga natin kung kiss-proof na siya. Kanina pa to sa labi ko, like mga 2 hours na. %98 kasi may shading. Ayan o. Para ako nagka-blush o dito sa kamay o. Okay, tingnan natin gaano siya katibay. Alright, so bago ang lip swatch, very quick review muna. So, base din sa wear test na ginawa ko, I cannot speak for all the shades, you guys. I can only speak for the shade in tinry ko, which is Brick. And I do believe yon ang deepest shade that they have here. I hope I'm right. I could be wrong. But the thing is it airy? Well, hindi ko masabing airy because it's creamy. Yes. Pero yung airy part is hindi ko maarok sa banda. To be completely honest. Pero what I can agree is it is very pigmented, you guys. As in like isang dip na yun, kayang-kaya nang i-cover yung entire lips mo. It is very pigmented. It is very long wearing. Ngayon, dun tayo magkakatalo sa transfer proof. Kasi based on my wear test, okay, so kapag nilagay mo siya and nag-set na siya and everything, it is not 100% transfer proof. Siguro mga 95% yung maximum. And then, kapag kumain ka, pag lumambot siya, just like any other liquid lipstick, alam mo yun, mawawala yung pagiging transfer proof niya, and then mababawasan yung colors sa inner corners mo until sa, like, buong lips mo, wala na. Well, depende syempre sa kakainin mo and kung paano ka kumain. So what I'm trying to say is it's just like any other liquid lipstick na mababawasan at mababawasan pagka lumambot siya. And then pag nag-dry na ulit siya, somehow it's gonna go back to being semi-transfer proof. Ngayon, if you're going to apply a thick layer, yon magiging 95% less transfer proof. If you're going to apply a little bit thinner, hindi naman sobrang nipis, but you know, you get what I mean. If it's thinner than the usual, yon medyo mas siya, mas makikita mo yung pagiging sort of transfer proof niya. But again, it's not 100% like super duper 100%. Meron at meron kang shading na makikita. Kakapit ba to sa mask mo pag nagsuot ka ng mask? I think so. Yes. Iba kasi yung formulation niya than the other liquid lipstick like FS Cosmetics or yung L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte or yung Super Stay Matte Ink. Ito kasi more on the creamy side. Alam mo yun. Pero hindi ko talaga magets yung Airy. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm imagining a different type of Airy, but I don't see the Airy. The creamy, yes. Easy to glide, yes. Very pigmented, very opaque, yes, 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 yes. But 100% transfer proof, I don't think so. For the price of $379, I think it's okay. Hindi siya sobrang mahal for the quality. Hindi rin naman siya sobrang mura. Ano siya sa gitna. Do you need to get all the shades? Definitely not. Kasi, tingnan mo, ano lang yung mga bet mo. Kasi hindi naman siya yung parang, oh my god, I gotta have everything. Hindi naman ganun. Hindi naman siya ganun. For me, yung feel ko sa kanya, hindi naman ganun leveling. Hindi ko rin sure kung ano yung kinatibay ni Brick. Ganun din yung ititibay ng ibang shades. Lalo na yung mga lighter ones. Anyway, I think it's time to move on sa Lipswatch. First shade is Clay. Oh my god, hindi ko pa pala napapakita sa inyo. Plus yung packaging. So it looks like this. Very, very nice. Very, very sleek. And then nasa ilalim yung shade name. And then when you open it, ayan, medyo mahaba yung applicator. It's soft and it is bendable. Ayan na. Now, my pros and cons yan. But this is the first shade. This is Clay. As you can see, it's very, very thick. And it's wet. Unang apply mo, it's wet. So, ito yung klase ng liquid lipstick na pwede ka mag-pucker to transfer some sa taas. Lapit ko nga kayo ng slide. Ayan. So, this is the shade Clay. Ito yung kanilang, tingnan mo, ang tagal niya mag-set, wet pa siya. Ito, pag in-apply mo, meron siyang very, very slight tackiness. Hindi siya parang glue na tackiness, pero more like yung parang creamy texture na tackiness. I don't know what I'm doing. Bakit bumababa yung chair ko? So, ito yung kanilang entry sa nude brown shade. So, this is Clay. So, next shade is called Bare Nude. Look how pigmented that is. It's just one swipe. Alam mo, ang problem with this, I love that it's bendable, but I hate that it's so long. Paano naman yung maliliit yung labi? So, this is Bare Nude. May mga skin tone na mamaintain niya yung ganito ka-light. Pero there are some skin tones, lalo na kapag nag-oxidize sa'yo yung mga foundation, yung mga liquid lipstick, ganyan, medyo magda-darken ng slight pa pag in-apply mo sa lips mo. And I'm one of those people na nag-oxidize yung mga anik-anik sa face ko. So, ayun, compare mo to sa lalagyan. So, kung ito may pagka-brown-brown, this one may pagka-pink-pink na undertone. So, that is Bare Nude. So, natin nyo guys, pag hindi pa siya nag-set, madali siyang tanggalan ng wet wipes lang. Next shade is called Nutmeg. So guys, this is Nutmeg and it is a bright peachy color. Yeah. Yun lang mati-describe ko sa kanya. Pero nakikita niyo naman yung difference, di ba? Brownie, pinky, now we have a bright peachy color. Di ba? May slight tint ng orange, may slight tint ng pink. And hindi siya... And you guys, hindi talaga siya airy. It's really creamy yung feeling niya. You can actually feel that you have something on your lips. Next shade is yung winertes ko, yung Brick. What I like about these Airy matte tints is ang daling mag-overline, oh. Diba? Ang daling palakihin yung labi mo. Alright guys, so this is the shade Brick and ayan ang kanyang difference. Ito, deep mauve pink na merong brown undertone. So, ayan, tingnan nyo maigi ang difference niya sa first three. Medyo wetty-wetty pa siya. Later on, pag nag-set na lahat yan, doon natin talaga makikita yung matte comparison. But right now, this is Brick on my lips. Next shade is called Terracotta. Alright guys, so this is Terracotta on my lips. At ito yung parang burnt orange shade. Merong mala orangey, maroon. Pag pinaghalo mo yung maroon tsaka orange. Yun ang kanyang undertone. So, this is Terracotta. And last but not the least is the shade Maple. Alright guys, so last shade is called Maple. Ito yung sa mga Lipswatch talaga, mayroong mga shades na hindi mo alam paano mo i-explain yung color. Paano mo siya is-separate with the others. Pero okay, I'm gonna try to describe it the best way I can. It's pink, but a very, very deep pink bordering red na siya. Pero hindi siya red. Alam mo yun, siguro sa biglang tingin sa malayo, ay, naka-red lipstick. But no, you're not. Hindi, no. It's just a very, very deep pink. So guys, this is Maple. Okay guys, ilang minuto nang lumipas. I think this is the best I can do. Tignan mo, yung mga last three shades are very close to each other. Brick, Terracotta, and Maple. So, we are done with the Lipswatch wear test review, you guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Sana nakatulong ako on helping you decide on which shade to get. You can get all of the shades if you want. Lalo na kung may budget ka. Mahalabels tayo eh. pag ginetching mo lahat. So, I guess we're done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And marami pa akong videos, Lipswatch, na i-upload. So, antay-antay lang kayo. Again, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!